My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Campfire, Arizona, and today we're just going to be doing a short video, Jillian versus camping pin. Yes, again, I know I have not been doing the Jillian versus camping pin, but I wanted to do a bunch of Jillian versus camping pins, but I wanted to do them around food. So I've been kind of waiting for some reason, I don't know, so whatever. So I just thought I would do this video. So I don't know if you've seen this camping pin, but this food related camping pin, but what you're supposed to be able to do is over a nice roaring fire, you should be able to wrap refrigerated cinnamon roll dough around a stick or around like a hot dog thing and cook it evenly until it's completely done or burnt or well done chewy cinnamon dough. So I thought I would just buy some. They say that the cheap cinnamon roll dough works best, the stuff that's kind of hard to unroll. So I just bought the Winco brand. It's like a Piggly Wiggly in the Southwest. It's just a local grocery store. And I thought we would try this with the local brand, the Winco cinnamon rolls, naturally flavored with icing. I don't know how cinnamon rolls can be naturally flavored, but we'll find out. I know I'm going to be super cheating today, but I do have one final. Honestly, I tried to do these rolls on the Campfire, just like I did with the crescent roll, but trust me, it did not work out so good. So I was reading where somebody was saying that you can either smash it flat or you can unroll it and put it either on the fire or on a grill, on like a charcoal grill. Well, we're going to be cheating today. So as you can see, I have the grill on. See if I can't get a picture of that underneath there. See? So the grill's on underneath there. But what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on low. And I want to try and maybe smash it flat a little bit and then see if it'll cook up more evenly if we keep it kind of off of the direct heat, or maybe some direct heat and then off the direct heat. I don't even know. So, but anyways, it did not work out. It basically turned out exactly like the crescent roll dog, where it was just burnt to hell. So anyways, I have my dog with me. She's just hanging out. So let's try it on the grill. I just want to see what it's going to turn out as, and we'll try it kind of in the center, so it will be, you can hear it sizzling already. I'm starting to wonder if I put a bit of foil around it, would that help it cook up better? I'm not too sure. Let's try to put it on a little tiny bit of foil. I say this is doing the best so far. I mean, I feel like with the fire you don't get that even heat, so it just absolutely burns the shit out of it. But when you put it on a grill, I mean, it's actually baking it, and you can kind of see here in the middle where it's like half baked, kind of, where it's getting baked. It's still really, you know, not baked, but it's getting there. So you can see the final tally from this. So the top doesn't look like it's done, but look at the bottom. It got burnt. So, you know, it's hot. So even though it cooks, I feel like you have to either flip it a lot or, I don't know, the top stays gooey. See? I say boo. Fail. Boo. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you like this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Campfire, Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.